Hello guys! How are you all? We are here in Barcelona cruise terminal at the moment, and we just boarded the cruise ship called MSC Seaview, and we're going to go around Mediterranean starting tonight at 6 o'clock. But before that, I'm gonna show you how is our cabin looks like, and we're gonna do a tour around the ship. Okay, so let's do it. And this time it's my treat for my lovely husband, so I'll show you our cabin. It is called Fantastica with ocean view. Okay, so guys, we are on the 5th floor of the starboard side, and that's my husband holding the door for me. Our luggages are here already, so let's go inside. Okay, that is our cabin number. So on your left, that's where you put your cruise card so that all the lights will function. And here is the door of your bathroom. So let's go inside the bathroom and find out what's in there. So this is these two you can use to hang your towels. What's the door? It's the lock. And inside, this is the shower. So it's very spacious, guys. And then that's the loo. And every time you flush the loo, you have to close it. There you go. And there's more places for towels over there. And you can put your shampoo, soap, and everything here. And that's the glasses for the toothbrush, and that is to plug your shaver. Down here, that's for the tissue, and then this is the toilet roll, and down there is bath mat. So this is your pump for the soap. All over here are mirror, and that is your sink, just like what we've got at home, of course. You can adjust the heat. Down here, there you go, is your bin and more tissues there, and that's your hand towels. They always give you 2, or if how many people are in the cabin. And here is your bath towels. You can request more if you want, or you can hang it for the next day if you don't want to change it. There you go, guys. So that's the bathroom, guys. Very basic, but it's very spacious and it's good enough for 2 people. So let's have a look inside. Here is a life-size mirror. There you go. And this is our king-size bed, guys. Here you are. Very thick, and it's very comfortable. There you go. That's the bed, and the ceiling looks like that. So guys, this is our wardrobe in this cabin. this side, we've got the safe box here. It's very tall. This is our third time with MSC, and this is the first time that I can hardly reach the safe box. And here you could put your folded clothes. We've got big spaces here to put your socks, your underwear, whatever. And this one is the cover for the bed later on. They just put this one now because we just boarded and we can open the luggages that we brought with us so that it won't mess the beddings. So let's put that back. Let's close that. And here we have, wait, we've got a few hangers here to hang our clothes. It's quite big and spacious, so those luggages will go in here later on so that it won't be on the floor over there. It's two different spaces for long clothes and for short ones here, or maybe the trousers, whatever you want to do. So this one here is the bags for laundry. If you need a laundry services, you can use this. You can fill the tub and just leave it there, and the cabin crew will pick it up for you. Your room attendant. There you go. So here guys, we've got our own lamp. So that's the control of the lights, just on your side. And here is the lights. There you go. That's for you if you want to read. And then get a big frame here. See, Perkins. So guys, we have here this, and if you have kids with you on board or a third person inside the cabin, this is a sofa bed, and it will accommodate 2 people. It's the same to the bed size, I think, or bigger. But ideally, this room is for 2 people only, but it can accommodate up to 4 people. There's another frame here with the sea urchins. That's what my husband said. Corrected my English. Pardon me, I'm not English. Anyway, we've got very thick curtains here, and I'm glad that we've got a green color in our bedroom, and of course the other light colors. We love green. And here guys is our ocean view. Here, there you go. You can remove that. Yeah, I don't know how, but maybe I can use that one to get in there, like this. Like this guys, like that, and just see the world go by. Like that guys. That's the view we have now here in Barcelona. So there you go guys. I'm tiny, I'm short, so I have to use the step to come up here. So guys, we have here our own television inside the cabin, and maybe around 42 inches size. In here you've got the live TV to what's going on in the ship, and here you can check your bills every day, weather, and here you can watch videos, and remote control goes here. And if you are sleeping there, or if you are sitting there wanting to watch the telly, this telly can move like that, see? But if you're sitting down here, then you can just do it like that. So we have here the breakfast orders, so you can have your breakfast in your bedroom if you want. There you go. Spa, room service, this is the drinks, and they've got packages, guys. If you want to order, you got like special occasion and you want to celebrate here in your bedroom, you can just call the room service, and they got some good deals here. See, there you go. And here, of course, the telephone. We have here the mini bar lists, or if you want to order, you can just tick, and your room attendant will get it for you. So of course there's another big mirror in here. And here is your can opener or bottle opener. Should I say can? This is for your wine or your champagne cooler. And we've got here, of course, two plastic. This is my first time. It's plastic. It wasn't plastic the last time, but maybe they're changing. Anyway, this is your mini dressing table. Well, it's not mini dressing table because actually it's bigger than my dressing table at home. So down here, this is your seat, of course, which is very, very heavy. You can sit it, you can use it as a chair, and you can use it as a table. It's a double purpose, guys. And here it's the mini bar. There you go. It's open. Guys, we've got all the alcohol here, and of course if you need more, you can just call the room service. Ow. Got some oranges, mango, sorry. I just opened it as well, guys, so I don't know what's inside. Beer, different brand, tonic in here, 7-Up, Pepsi, Lipton tea, iced tea, and we've got some salted peanuts, water. You will be drinking a lot of water, a bigger one, and it's price is €290 each, and this one is €1.90. We've got Pringles, and we've got carbonated water. There you go, guys. So if you want to have the still, you take that one, and if you want the carbonated, you have this one. So there you go, guys. Of course, here is your big hair dryer. So guys, that is a mini tour of our cabin. It's against the light, guys. It's dark. There you go. So I hope you enjoyed our mini tour in our cabin, guys. We will start the tour of the ship later on. My husband is hungry, so I'll take him to the buffet first. There's a welcome buffet for everyone at the moment. So let's go and find out what they have for us. Okay? Thank you.